Okay, numero uno, lui ha chiesto. If you have an example like this in your test, you have to know that chiedere is a verb that has a irregular past participle. I said again, page 194, you have to know a handful of those. Here's another one. Facciamo. You should know that that is the verb fare. And so we want to put this in the passato prossimo. This means we did. This means we do or we make. We want to say we did or we made. So you would say abbiamo fatto. Fare is not in the house of essere. It takes avere. Okay, now what about number three? Something should click off in your mind right away. Oh, wait a second. I see a reflexive pronoun. That means it's a reflexive verb. Reflexive verbs are always conjugated with passato prossimo using essere as a helping verb. So I'm going to say sono. I can start off with io if I wanted to, but you don't even need io. Sono, I have to start off with not io. That's unnecessary, but you do have to start off with the reflexive pronoun. So mi, helping verb, sono, past participle, svegliare, are verb, ato. So svegli, svegli. I drop off the are, add ato. Boom. If you are a female, you do what? Add an a. How about tu prendi? Tu prendi, you take. You want to say you took. So I preso. Yet but another irregular past participle. You really have to know the 194 words. How about voi scrivete? You write. We want to say you wrote. So avete scritto. Okay. They listen. Change it to the passato prossimo. They listened. Hanno ascoltato. Do I change the O to an I here? No, because it takes avere. You only do that if the helping verb is essere, which in this case it is not. How about this one though? Io vado, I go. You have to recognize that vado is from andare. So I go, we want to say I went. So andare, is that in the house of essere? Yes, it is. Sono andato, or if you're a female, sono andata. How about you say, tu dici, you say. We want to say you said. So I detto. Detto is the irregular past participle of dire. Okay, what about she puts on? She puts on. You want to say she put on. So si, with an accent, messa. Okay, I got a bunch of things here. Reflexive pronoun for she. Present tense helping verb of essere, which is a. That should be an accent there. And then the past participle of the verb mettere, again, page 194, is messo, and you are going to change it to an A for a girl, messa. Okay, number 10, we're almost there at the end. We play, we want to change that to we played. Abbiamo giocato. All right. You say, we want to say you said. Avete detto. They read, we want to say they read. Hanno letto. How about 13? I am. You want to say I was. Okay, what's the helping verb of essere? The helping verb of essere is essere. So the verb essere is in the house of essere. So we're going to take the present tense of essere in the io form, which is sono. Now we're going to take the past participle of essere, which is irregular. It's stato. So stato, or if you're a female, stata. Some of you forgot that. Stato is the past participle of essere. So this means sono stato, I was. I was in Italy. Sono stato in Italia, for example. Okay, two more. Lui ha, he has. Change that to he had. Lui ha avuto. This is just from avere, right? Avere is an ere verb, so you change it to a uto. And my last one is again reflexive. They get up. You want to change it to they got up. So loro see sono. Helping verb is sono in the third person plural, the essere. And then alzare, drop off the ato. That's just alz. Add an drop off the are, add an ato. So alzato. But it doesn't stop there. Is it alzato or is it something else? It's plural, right? So you have to change that by reflecting alzati or alzate, depending on if the people were they girls or they guys. And that is our practice that we have here. And examples like this will be on the esamino. Grazie.